India accounts for one of the highest maternal mortalities worldwide. However, the responsibility of extending proper maternal care to pregnant mothers in remote villages rests on the shoulders of unskilled village health workers. Our product Amrita provides essential decision support to the village health workers in terms of tracking quantitative parameters like height, weight, hemoglobin, blood pressure across the 9 months of pregnancy. Here is a case of Rani, who is a 22-year-old lady who meets the staff nurse in the PHC to register the pregnancy. The encounter of the village health worker with the pregnant mother could occur at a PHC or home, and we have appropriate modules for each. The patient particulars, including the name, address, which is needed to be followed up for home visits, last menstrual period, etc. are entered. Say the last menstrual period in this case fell on 1st of August. The gadget has an internal clock and it calculates that around 7 weeks have elapsed since then. Thus the mother is in her first trimester and hence the expected date of delivery is calculated by the device. There is a unique antenatal care number to monitor the mother over the 9 months once she enters the pregnancy cohort. The module essentially assesses the mother for presence of the risk factors that can affect the present pregnancy, which could be in terms of a systemic disease like diabetes, tuberculosis. In our case, Rani had a congenital heart disease and she underwent a surgery for this at an age of 8 years. This is her first pregnancy and she does not give a bad obstetric history of stillbirths or neonatal deaths. The weight is entered, which will be tracked over the subsequent visits. Now the questions pertaining to the first trimester come up. Say the mother does not complain of vomiting. The blood pressure is 130, 96, say. The device understands this is a case of hypertension. The dipstick shows no proteins in urine. There is no episode of bleeding that the mother reports. Hence, the device does not assess the mother for danger signs like abdominal pain, vaginal discharge, etc., which would, if present, mean a complication. The next set of questions is directed towards assessment of anemia. Assume a case when the hemoglobinometer is not available with the staff nurse. She asks the mother about the clinical symptoms like breathlessness, easy fatigability. She looks under the lower eyelid for pallor. In this case, say the conjunctiva is not pale. The mother does not have fever too. The device makes the following diagnosis. It is a case of high-risk pregnancy, risk arising due to previous heart disease. As I said, the lady also had undergone a surgery. Also, it is a case of chronic hypertension. Hence, it needs to be monitored regularly till delivery. Even though the mother has no anemia, the device reminds the staff nurse to administer folic acid tablets prophylactically. The mother is advised to visit PHC regularly for routine checkup. She is briefed about the danger signs when she has to return to the PHC. Also, she is advised to plan the delivery in a well-equipped medical center like a comprehensive emergency obstetric care unit. And this is how the printout comes. A similar kind of diagnosis report does also come on the mobile phone. The beauty of such a decision support becomes further evident in case of a follow-up visit, wherein once the village health nurse enters the ANC number, the patient particulars are retrieved. The questions asked further are appropriate to the gestational age and not the same every time. More importantly, the device generates reminders for follow-up visits and alerts in case of deteriorating quantitative parameters. So that was Amrita antenatal care module for you. Thanks you for your patience.